మార్నింగ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. నా లైవ్ నేనే చూసుకుంటాను అనమాట. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. నో వన్ ఈస్ దేర్. సో ఎస్టర్డే హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ హిందీ, ఇంగ్లీష్, తెలుగు మూడిట్లోనే అవుతుంది. హిందీ కూడా చెప్తాను. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. నా లైవ్ నేనే చూసుకుంటాను అనమాట. సో yesterday I have started triangles chapter. Yesterday only I started teaching class 9 in the evening time. Actually previously I was teaching in the morning time 6:30, but very less people, most of the students they messaged me that they can't attend in the morning class because they have to go to the schools. So most of the students wanted to go to the schools. That's why I stopped taking live class in the morning time. So now I made my timings to take in the evening time. So I am taking live class from yesterday, class 9. Most of the schools have completed more number of chapters, like number system completed, polynomials completed, linear equations in two variables completed, okay, and Euclid geometry completed, coordinate geometry completed. They are all learning champs. Hello. So most of the lines and angles also completed. Now I'm starting. Yesterday I started triangles chapter. So I gave yesterday one congruent. I have given introduction and I have explained SAS congruency axiom. SAS congruency rule. This I have explained yesterday. Okay. This I have already explained. You can refer back to my video. So today I will be giving you one more congruency rule, and then we will do some problems based on these two rules. So this is the criteria. This is the criteria for deciding triangles congruent. Okay, if you want to triangles congruent है कि नहीं कि डिसाइड करना है तो क्राइटेरियाज है. सो SAS इज़ वन क्राइटेरिया. सो साइड एंगल साइड. अभी दो ट्राइंगल, देर आर टू ट्राइंगल्स. ओके, सो इंक्लूडेड इन दीज टू आर इंक्लूडेड साइड. सॉरी, these two sides are equal and included angle are equal. So now these two triangles, side angle side, this is side angle side, this is side angle side. In these two triangles, this equal marks sides are equal and equal marks angles are equal. So these two triangles are congruent by side angle side, side angle side. Yes, yes, that line order should not be changed. Okay, so that means you can say, you can remember like this also. You can remember like this also. Hello. హలో, ఇప్పుడే రైతు ఇప్పుడే కదా బయలుదేరుతా. ఇప్పుడే బయలుదేరుతున్నాను, ఒక 5 minutes అయింది. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? So these two triangles are congruent. That means angle is included between the sides. So if this angle is included between the sides, angle should be in between the sides. Then SAS can be applied. These two triangles are congruent by SAS. Okay. For example, I will give one more how SAS cannot be applied, that I am going to tell you. Oh, the scream earth. Scream earth. So how SAS cannot be applied, that also I will tell you. I am not writing the names of the triangle, just I am giving, I am showing equal marks on the triangle. So now this side, these two sides are equal, and these two sides are equal, and this angle is equal to this angle. So I have shown the equal yeah. So most of the schools are having mid-year examinations. So क्या करेंगे? वो भी करना है, ये भी करना है. So there is no other go. Exams है बोल के खाली exam का syllabus भी पढ़ना है. Some extra 13 September I know. Most of the schools are having half-yearly exams. మీకెప్పుడు? So in Andhra Pradesh there is a time, and rest of India, most of the schools in India, they are having mid-year examinations in this month. वो भी पढ़ना है, ये भी पढ़ना है, वो भी prepare करना है, ये भी prepare करना है. So now is these two triangles are congruent by SAS? Are they congruent? They are not congruent because this angle, equal angle, is not between these two, not included. These two equal, but angle is not in between the two sides, not included. Therefore these two are not congruent by SAS. So you have to be very careful. A angle should be in between the sides. So now let us go to another property. What is another property? ASA congruency property rule. So in the first one, angle is included. Now side is included. That is only the thing. Okay. अच्छा. So then it's okay. ट्राइंगल्स भी आपका सिलेबस में ट्राइंगल्स है, सर्किल्स है, बहुत सारा है. वेरी गुड. नंबर सिस्टम, पॉलिनोमियल्स, यूक्लिड ज्योमेट्री, लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स, ट्राइंगल्स, सर्किल्स. Very good, very good. Say it differs because here I am staying in Andhra Pradesh. So in Andhra Pradesh, very few chapters are there for going on. Andhra Pradesh is going very slow. So anyhow, if you want to have, you can refer back my videos, because polynomials, all videos are there, all exercises I have done, and they are in my channel, Dear Teacher RS. So this is my channel name, and from there you can go to my previous videos and check it out. Okay, and for you I will make one common revision session in the other time. Okay, so circles I did not do, triangles I am doing, lines and angles, everything is there, polynomials, everything is there, Euclid geometry is there, number system is there. Okay, all these things are there, so you can refer back. Still, if you want to have a revision, if you want to have clear doubts, you download my learning app, Dear Teacher app, from Google Play Store, and you can connect with me so that I can support you and I can help you free of cost. Download my app, it is free of cost. Definitely I am going to, yeah. So then ASA congruency rule. So there are again two triangles. I am not labeling the triangles. Actually, drawing figures without labeling is a crime, but I am doing crime. So now these two triangles, only one side is equal. This and this are equal. Okay, now this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle is equal. So that means if I write ABC and PQR, so then what happened? Angle A is equal to angle P, and AB is equal to PQ and angle B is equal to angle Q. So that means side is between two angles. Here also side is between two angles. So we say that it is ASA. You can A, S and A. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by ASA rule. ASA congruency rule. So this is how ASA congruency rule is to be applied. So sometimes this ASA also called AAS. AAS. So this comes under corollary. Corollary. ASA, AAS both are same. Yeah, we can prove, but at this time I am not proving it because I have my children. This I can definitely prove it and show you, but I am not. I am explaining in different way. So this is a ASA congruency rule. Why it is known as AAS? If two angles, suppose if this is 60 degrees and this is 40 degrees, and this is 60 degrees and this is 40 degrees. So ultimately this angle will be 80 degrees and this angle will be 80 degrees. So automatically the third angle will be equal. So you can have AAS, 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 ASA, both are same. Okay. Yes, I have explained your doubt, your scream earth. Scream earth, I have explained your doubt just now. Okay. So because when two angles are equal in two triangles, automatically the third angle also equal like this. That is why you can have AAS, AAS also. If AAS is there, automatically ASA will be there. So that is why we call this AAS as a corollary. Like BPT we have a corollary. So like this ASA has a corollary. So ASA, AAS stands same, and only the notation will change. So now let us do some questions. Let us do some questions. I am doing a question from my separate textbook. I will use like R.D. Sharma. I have my own textbook. I am going to do problems from my textbook. So my target is I am going to apply two rules. One is SAS, the other one is ASA or AAS. So these three rules, based on those three rules, I am going to do some questions. Okay. As I could not type it before, I want you to note down the questions so that it will be easy for okay. So in triangle ABC, my first question, you can write like example 1. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to, AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So a very important question. Let us draw the diagram. Okay. ABC is the and AD is perpendicular bisector. That means you have to draw an AD. AD is perpendicular and also bisector. That means this AD is perpendicular to BC and also AD is bisecting BC. Bisecting means రెండు equal parts కింద divide చేయడం అన్నమాట. So AD is bisecting means BD is equal to CD. So let us indicate this in the given. AD is perpendicular to BC and BD is equal to CD. Now what is RTP? We have to prove that ABC is isosceles triangle. That means you have to prove AB is equal to AC. These two sides equal or these two angles are equal. Isosceles कब होता है? Shubham Rai, you have given something. Sir, can you explain something? That corner में love symbol है. So if you give one more message, that your message will go up and I can see your message. So now अभी हम ये ए बी ए सी को इक्वल प्रूव करना है, नहीं तो एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू सी भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल में एदर दो साइड्स इक्वल होता है, एदर टू साइड्स इक्वल और टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. या कैन यू एक्सप्लेन ऑल? Yes, I am explaining everything, right? So now we will take a proof. We will take in triangle ADB. That means I am taking left hand side triangle, triangle ADC. I am taking right hand side triangle. In these two triangles, I am listing out all the equal properties. Okay? I am listing out all the equal this is an example, Mr. Shubham. This is an example based on these three rules. Okay? So now I will list out. AD is equal to AD. Common. In both the triangles, this side is there, common. And this is 90 degrees. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees because AD is perpendicular to BC given, and BD is equal to CD. This is also because AD bisects BC. Therefore, it is a angle side. So therefore triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by SAS congruency rule. So when two triangles are congruent, after this question, okay, when two triangles are congruent, remaining three parts are equal. By CPCT. CPCT means congruent parts of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So remaining parts are AB is equal to AC. This is CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. Three parts को लेके हम congruent prove किया है, So after they are congruent, remaining three parts are equal. So remaining three parts are AB, AC, BC, like that, all they are equal. So AB is equal to AC. That means two sides are equal. That implies two sides of triangle ABC are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay? Very important question. Very, very important question. Harshit, this is Ravi Shankar. Okay? Right. So I hope you have understood. Let me go to another question. You can note down later also. Let me take one more question. Isosceles triangle question only. This is also an isosceles triangle question. Example 2. I am not doing textbook questions. I am doing like an R.D. Sharma book type में मेरे पास एक book है, उसमें से मैं explain कर रहा हूँ. So these isosceles triangle problems are very very important. Isosceles triangle problems. So now I'll be writing. Prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. Isosceles if AP, if altitude AP bisects BC. Okay, it is almost a similar question only. Almost similar question. Right? This is one. Second one, median AP is perpendicular to base BC. There are two conditions. So now let us draw the diagram. We will draw the diagram. ABC. Now first condition, case 1. What is the first condition? Altitude AP. That means I will draw AP. This is altitude. Bisects base. That means BP is equal to CP. It is just like previous problem. Okay, you do it by yourself. Now case 2, median AP is perpendicular to BC. Median ante enti? What is median? You have to take the midpoint. P is the midpoint. P is equal to midpoint. Then the line joining the midpoint of side and opposite vertex is known as median. So AP is median. That is the median. What is median? The line joining the vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. The line joining the midpoint and opposite vertex is known as median. So median AP I have drawn. And this median AP is also perpendicular, 90 degrees. So that means BP is equal to CP. BP is equal to CP. And this is 90 degrees. So now you have to prove that this ABC is isosceles. Same problem. So these two triangles, how these two triangles? In these two triangles we have proved na AP is equal to AP common and angle APB is equal to angle APC is equal to 90 degrees and BP is equal to CP. Therefore triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC by SAS. Therefore by CPCT AB is equal to AC. Therefore triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Very very important question. What is your problem? Yeah. So I don't know why should I name anyhow I am not going into the if the messages are proper I will go through the messages, right? Otherwise not responding, I will remove the student from my YouTube channel. I will hide the user. Okay. So I will go to one more question. Shall we go through the textbook? I will take the textbook and I will do some questions from the textbook. This is your 9th class NCERT textbook. I am opening congruent triangles, and I am opening 7.2 exercise. 7.2 exercise. Okay. So now let me do 7.2 exercise. First question. Okay. First question, exercise 7.2, question number 1. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Isosceles, two sides equal. And the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect at O. Join AO and then show that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. This is the question. Okay. So now let us draw the diagram. ABC triangle. You could draw this as before I draw, you should draw. Okay. Rajesh, very good. ABC. AB is equal to AC. And the bisector of B. That means bisector of B, it goes like this. And the two angles equal and 1 is equal to 2. The bisector of B and bisector of C, this is the bisector. Here 3 and here 4. And these are meeting at O. Now I will rub the extended, okay. So this is the diagram as per the join AO. I am joining AO also, and then prove that OB is equal to OC. That means OB is equal to OC, and show that AO bisects angle A. That means if these two angles are there, 5 and 6, you have to prove angle 5 is equal to angle 6. This is a proof of this second one. And OB is equal to OC, right? That means you have to show this triangle as an isosceles triangle. Okay, right. So then proof. Huh? చేసుకోవచ్చు x వేసుకోవచ్చు. అసలు ఏం వేసుకోకుండా యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఫుల్ ఫామ్ CBA, CBO, ABO ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ 1, 2, 3, 4 na, you will get a nice proof. You are getting a nice proof. Okay. So now angle 1 is equal to 2. Why? And angle 3 is equal to 4, because given bisectors. So that means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to half of A. This is what you want to tell? Half of B, sorry. And This is equal to, each is equal to half of C. That's okay, you can take, right? So now join AO, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, given na. Therefore, opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C. Divide with half. Angle B by 2 is equal to angle C by 2. So, B by 2 you can write either 1 or you can write 2. I will write angle 1. C by 2 you can write either 3 or 4. I will write B. So, that means these two angles are equal. So, that implies OB is equal to OC. Since two sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal, first one is proved. First one is proved. Now, second one. You have to prove that 5 is equal to 6. You have to take these two triangles. That means triangle AOB and triangle AOC. Check what angles are equal. So then AB is equal to AC, given angle 2 is equal to angle 4, because half of angle B, angle C, okay, and then OB is equal to OC, just now proved. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC by SAS. Therefore, angle 5 is equal to angle 6. That means OA bisects angle A. Okay. So, this is a very important question, first question of textbook. Let us go to another question. Now, I will stop 45, only half an hour only I will stop this live, and then I will explain these problems tomorrow, right? Because only half an hour I can take live, remaining half an hour I have to teach my students, offline students, science or something, doubts. Bye bye.